Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the boiler gaskets inside the boiler as it was leaking and it was tripping the breaker and it was not working the way it's supposed to. It just kept tricking the breaker circle, and it's very common with this machine, especially because when you plug in this machine into the power outlet, power push goes through the entire machine, all around the entire machine. This is just a standby button, so it's not really, this doesn't really power on or power off the machine at all. There's already power inside the entire thing. So if there's any kind of leak or anything that might trip the breaker inside, or any kind of moisture or leak inside the machine, will make the machine to trip the breaker. It will just trip the breaker automatically. As soon as you plug it in, it will just trip. So we open the machine up, replace all the gaskets, replace that very hard to get gasket into the boiler, the one that refills the boiler, this one, and we also replace the boilers from the gasket from the steam brew boiler as well. And as you can see, machine is at 200, nice steady steam coming out of the one. It's already ready to brew. Water comes out through the brew head, as you can see. That is pre-infused. Takes approximately 6 to 8 seconds of pre-infusion for these machines, and then once he passes the pre-infusion phase, it will just automatically push a bunch of water to the group head, as you see right here. And for the hot water as well, hot water, perfect. I interrupted the shot. Give me 1 second. There you go, hot water coming out through there. As you can see, it took a little bit because, well, I just basically put the boiler back together and it was refilling a little bit. But as you can see, boom, straight away, nice steady stream, water coming out to the one with no issues. Again, the brew group working the way it's supposed to. Nice, and hot water. Really steam on the machine as well, working the way it's supposed to do. Working perfectly. So there you have it. Breville Oracle, not tripping the breaker and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.